everyone. I hope that you had a happy Thanksgiving and you're all recovering from the food comas or the shopping adventures you may have had. I'm Lubomira and thank you for joining me. If you're visiting for the first time, welcome to my channel, and if you are returning, it's so wonderful to have you back. If you like my videos and would like to see more of them, remember to hit those like and subscribe buttons. By selecting that little bell, you'll get notified every time I post a new video, so you never miss out on any of the crafty goodness. We are already on day 9 of the 12 days of Christmas in November. Today I'm sharing a fun card with a minimal color scheme. I feel sometimes we get hung up on colors, but you can still make a statement piece with just a small color palette. And these cards tend to really come together quickly. Let's just get right into the video. First, I cut a piece of vellum into a tag. If you're not comfortable with doing this with a trimmer, you can always use a metal die. After cutting the tag, I applied some glittery falling snow using a stencil and some Sickles glitter gel in the color Moondust. I absolutely love this stuff. It glitters and shines so beautifully. As my tag dries, I work on my background. I use a large background stamp from Simon Says Stamps. This is the outline Christmas bulbs. I stamp it in my MISTI onto some red cardstock using Versamark ink. I'll be heat embossing the image, so I prep the area with an anti-static pouch. You may notice that my MISTI is completely empty because the stamp is a thick rubber stamp that doesn't need all of the inserts. I also tape down my cardstock in place rather than use a magnet. The magnet would get in the way, but I still want to make sure that the image doesn't shift on me just in case I need to re-ink it, which I do. I also stamped the adorable stamp Little Reindeer from Gerda Steiner Designs. I'm not sure what happened to the footage exactly, but I did this off camera in Versamark ink and then heat embossed it with black embossing powder. I add shimmer to the inside of the bulbs on my background using a shimmer pen, and then attach the background to a white card base using liquid glue. I go back to working on my tag and add a snowbank to the bottom of it. I just hand cut a hill shape from a white cardstock and glue it into place. I add my reindeer to the tag using foam tape and give him some dimension. I grab a red marker, a Karen this time, because it was the closest one I had at hand, and it's a non-alcohol marker. I didn't want to use Copics because of the embossing powder I used to create the image with. I punched a hole in the tag and then add some red baker's twine. I stamped the word Christmas at the bottom of my tag using red ink and then went back over it with Versamark and clear embossing powder. This is a way to add shine to a sentiment without having to own every single color of embossing powder. I pair the Christmas with one of my pre-made foil sentiments and then add my tag to the front of my card using liquid glue. And that's it. Easy peasy. I love the contrast between the image and the background and how the red ties everything together. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. There's not too many days left in this series, so I hope you'll be joining me for the rest of the videos. Please don't forget to leave your comments below. I love hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great night. Bye.